pretty much the home screen of the AI application. At the top here, you'll be able to use 3 of these features that you have. You have the image to video, and you have text to video, meaning prompt to video, and as well you have the AI image generator. So here you have a lot of templates which you can use. These are very easy to use. All you have to do is just select whichever one you want to use. Once you've selected it, you pretty much upload a photo of yourself, clear image of yourself, full body image, pretty much everything, and upload it here. Once you have done that, you pretty much will get these effects. So any one of these that you want to use, be able to get these effects. Do keep in mind you're gonna need points, or should I say credits, to generate these videos. And as well, you're going to watch an ad even though we have credits or points. So that's pretty much it for all the templates. Same thing applies for any one of these templates that you want to use. Some of them may just require a picture of your face. Some of them will require a full body picture. So all depends upon what you want. So you can tap on the explore option to see others as well. You can scroll across. As you can see at the top here, you can see different categories for these templates as well. So you have Christmas section, you have the many people section here, as you can see. And yeah. So let me just go to the home section here. So I'm going to try one of these features. You have the image to video section here. This is pretty much where you create AI videos using an image. So you can just upload an image here. And as well, if you're going to create anything, let's say from one of these templates, pretty much can tap on the hint option here and select one of these templates that you want to create a video from. And as well, any one of these, and if I scroll down here, let's say for example, any one of these templates I can use, just tap on this here, and it will ask you to generate, just tap on the generate option, and it will pretty much select everything, give you a prompt, and pretty much everything for you to generate this a similar video, but using your photo. So that's pretty much how I would want to explain to you. And for the text to video option, all you need is pretty much the prompt. As you can see, you can use hints as well, but I'm just going to select one of these, for example. So these will pretty much give you a prompt if you don't have anything in mind. And as well, you're going to see the models that you should be using. I'm currently using the light version, and this is the pro version. I won't be able to test out, guys, because I don't have any credits. However, as you can see here, you have advanced settings here. If you do tap on this option, you'll be able to see the other settings, which can enable your video duration, can go way up to 10 seconds and 5 seconds as well, can increase the resolution of the video, and as well the aspect ratio. So it all depends upon what you guys want. So for the subscription for this AI application here, all I have to do is tap on the pro icon at the top there, and be able to purchase their monthly subscription. And if you want to see more plans that they offer, just tap on the more plans option here. You can see they offer a weekly subscription and a monthly subscription. So they do tell you how much credits you get, and as you can see here, how much credits we getting per plan. You do get 3,000 credits for a monthly plan, and you do get 750 credits for a weekly plan. You're going to need those credits to generate or create videos or create AI images. So do keep that in mind. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. And everything will be in the asset section. Everything that I've generated will be in the asset section. And if I do tap on the plus icon here, I can pretty much select any one of those features that I've pretty much showed you guys earlier. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, let me know in the comment section. Let's see if I can help you out.